So welcome today. I will show you how to remove your video background. Okay. So first you open Camtasia 9 software, then click import. So click import and your location decide where you stay your video. Now I'm going to my folder. Yes, right here click and video present and it's my green screen. So one video I will select. Suppose this video I have select. Now open and scrolling and stay here. This is my background green screen video. So now I will remove my background. It is very easy to remove your background. So first you click, then you can see there are many options and click here, more click. Okay, then you decide virtual effect. Now remove color and scrolling here. Then you can see right side to remove a color. Now click here and pen click, then you click background. Now remove. And if you want to clean remove your background, so tolerance now you off and 0. Now okay, so now I'm playing. So it's very simple way you can easy your background to remove, green screen background to remove very easy with Camtasia 9. And I think that it is a very important video for you if you want to remove your video. Thank you so much.